A very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to lecture number 13 on the topic of kinematics. Okay, so we have been solving problems on equations of motion in horizontal direction. Okay, so this is the last session on this particular part of applying the equations of motion in horizontal direction. And from Monday onwards, we are going to see motion under gravity in vertical direction. The same equations. Now, from Monday onwards, we are going to see how to apply in vertical direction. Okay. So anyway, I think last class I have done this A part and B part. C part I have asked you to do. No? Is it correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
C part have you done? No? Or I myself have done? C part have I done? Ratio of time to go from A to B to that of B to C. Please check in your notes. Yes, Deepta Teja.
Sir, actually, you just did the first one. You asked us to the second and third one, sir.
Achha, second and third I asked you to do. Huh? Okay. Okay. So did you all do it? Have you got the answers? Deepta Teja. Hemant. Hemant. Yeah, Deepta Teja, you are telling something. See the answers. Deepta Teja, your mic is not working. Huh? See the answers here. The average velocity between A and B and B and C. What is the average velocity between A and B? How much you got? See here, average velocity can be calculated by two formulas, U plus V by 2 or total displacement by total time. But I know the initial velocity and final velocity at A and B, correct or not? At A it is 7 meters per second, B it is 13 meters per second. So 7 plus 13 by 2, 10, 20 by 2, 10. Similarly, average velocity between B and C, how much? U plus V, 13 plus 17, that is 30 divided by 2, 15 meters per second. And what is the third part? Find the ratio of time taken from A to B to that of B to C. How much time? What is the ratio of the time taken from A to B to that B to C? Okay. So now this is also very easy. In the interval, they're asking time taken from A to B to time taken from B to C. Now in the interval A, we apply the equation V equal to U plus AT. So V is 13, 7 plus A into T of B. So you'll get as acceleration, we don't know, but keep it in terms of acceleration only. Why? Because they're asking in ratio, no? So that the acceleration will get cancelled. Again in the interval BC, apply the equation V equal to U plus AT. 17 is equal to 13 plus A into T times of T of BC. So here you will get 4 by A. So 6 by A by 4 by A, that is equal to 3 by 2. The ratio is 3 by 2. Okay. So this is how we can solve these problems of equations of kinematics. Okay. So did I give any problem as homework? Apart from the two parts. Apart from the two parts, any other problem I gave homework? Shraddha?
No, sir, you didn't give any homework.
Okay. Okay, so let us take one more problem. And do you have any doubts in work session? Do anybody have any doubts in work session? Because tomorrow exam is there. If you want to clarify, please ask if you have any doubts from the work session. Have you all solved work session?
Yes, sir.
Solved?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.
Any doubts, sir? No? If you solve, you should get some doubts, na? Correct or not? Any doubts?
Sir, why didn't they give the solutions for the work sessions, sir?
Why?
Because I mean to check, sir, like every time we do the same thing, right? We do and check, but then this time they gave it only for maths. Like they didn't give the solutions. They just gave the answer key to that.
No, I didn't get it. What you're telling, Sudha?
No, sir. This time they did not give the solutions for the work sessions, sir. That's what I'm asking.
For physics or
They did not give it for physics, science, and chemistry, sir. They gave it only for maths.
work session solutions? They have not given, huh?
No, sir. They haven't given us any.
Oh, they all means generally when the work session is sent after 2-3 days, immediately they will send. When did they send this work session? Maybe Monday. Huh?
I guess they sent it on 24th or something like that, sir.
Okay, okay. No, no. Actually, I have sent it. They also typed it because I have checked the solution. So I think maybe they forgot to send the solution for work session. Just ask the
They
coordinator
gave us the key, sir. I mean, they gave us like A, B, C, D, but they did not give the detailed solution.
for all the problems or few.
No, sir. Actually, while giving the work session, they're giving us the key. I mean, just the options like A, B, and like that.
Means along the
But
question,
then,
along the work session, key is given.
yes, sir. But then after 3 to 4 days, they're giving us the solutions. I mean, the detailed solution. But
Correct.
this time, we did not get the detailed solutions.
Acha, acha. You ask the coordinator to send immediately today itself. Okay. Because
Okay, sir.
solutions are there actually. I don't know why they didn't send it. Okay. But you have solved. Have you all solved? Is it easy, average, or difficult? Work session.
Average, sir. I mean, some are
Average.
difficult, but some are easy.
Huh?
Some are difficult, but some are easy, sir. I mean, most of them are okay, sir. I mean, we can
Okay.
do.
Acha, acha. Any doubts in that work session? Please ask. Charishma, any doubts? Charishma,
Sir, could you explain the 20th sum?
huh?
Could you explain the 20th problem in the work session?
20th. What is the question? Read.
1 minute, sir. A body travels 15 seconds starting from rest with constant acceleration. If it travels distances S1, S2, and S3 is, that's all the question. That's all, sir.
Once again, read the question.
A body moves with the constant. 1 minute, sir. A body travels for 15 seconds starting from rest
Hmm.
with a constant acceleration.
Okay.
If it travels distances S1, S2, and S3 is, that's all, sir.
If the distance traveled S1, S2, S3.
Actually, the question is abrupt, sir. I mean, it has an abrupt ending.
I think it's not complete, no?
Yes, sir.
How come it is 1 minute? Let me check in my. Just be online. I'll just check it on my system. Okay. Just be online, everybody. Yeah, Shraddha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question is, if it travels S1, S2, S3 in consecutive time intervals. The question is incomplete actually. Okay. If the body travels S1, S2, S3 in the consecutive time intervals. Understood?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
In the consecutive equal time intervals. Please write down. In the consecutive equal time intervals. Okay. In the consecutive, please write down. Okay. In the consecutive equal time intervals. In the consecutive equal time intervals. Okay. S1, S2, S3. In the consecutive equal time intervals. Okay. That means total time is how much? What is the total time?
15 seconds, sir.
Correct. Now that means equal seconds means what? This is 5 second, 5 second, and 5 second. Correct? Okay.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Now they're asking what is the ratio of S1 is to S2 is to S3. Okay. So let us say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay. Initial velocity is 0, total time 15 seconds, acceleration is constant. So now let us calculate first in the interval AB. Okay, let us apply the equation what S is equal to ut plus half times of at square, where S is nothing but what S1 is equal to U is anyway 0, so this one will be 0 plus half into acceleration is we don't know A into 5 square, correct or not? This is equation number 1. Now BC distance is this one, correct or not? This is the BC distance. Okay, but what we'll do is here we cannot apply any equation in this interval BC because we don't know anything except time. So let us take interval AC. Let us take interval AC so that I can use this U equal to 0. So in interval AC, I'll apply the equation S equal to UT plus half AT square. Now what is S in this interval AC, Shraddha? From A to C, how much is the displacement?
10 meters, sir.
No, they have not given
Oh.
meters.
Oh, sorry, sir. I thought it's meters.
S1 plus S2, na? Correct or not? Is equal to, now initial velocity means at A. At A, initial velocity is 0. So 0 plus, this is 0 plus half into A into acceleration is constant into what is the time taken from A to C?
10 seconds, sir.
10 seconds. Very good. So this is, let's say, equation 2. Same way, now again we should not take the interval CD because we don't know anything apart from time. So let us take the interval A to D and apply the equation S is equal to UT plus half times of AT square. Now what is the displacement from A to D?
S1 plus S2 plus S3.
Very good. S1 plus S2 plus S3 is equal to, again U is 0 plus half into A into what is the time? 15 square. So this is the equation 3. Now our aim is to find out what is the ratio of S1 plus S1 is to S2 is to S3. What is the ratio of S1 is to S2 is to S3 is what they are asking. Okay. So now what we'll do is from equation 2, from here now I can write replace S1. What is S1? Half times of A into 5 square. Correct or not? This S1 plus S2 is equal to what? Half times of A into 10 square. So from here, what is S2? Half times of A into 10 square minus half times of A into 5 square, which is equal to half times of A if you take out common, 10 square minus 5 square. Correct? That is called S2. Okay. Same way, now S3 also we can find out. Correct or not? Because S1 plus S2 is how much? I can write as what? Half A into 10 square. Correct? Plus S3 must be equal to half into A into 15 square. So this implies what? S3 is equal to half into A into, directly I'm writing 15 square minus 10 square. So here anyway directly we have S1 as what? Half into A into 5 square. Correct? So now let us find the ratio. Okay. Understood? Okay. So what is the ratio? Tell me. S1 by S2, suppose. What is S1? Half into A into 5 square divided by half into A into, how much is this? 10 square minus 5 square. How much? 100 minus 25. How much?
75.
75. Now half A will get cancelled. This is how much? 25 by 75. That means how much?
1/3.
So that means S1 is equal to what? S3 by 2. Sorry, 3. Sorry, S2 by 3. Sorry. S1 is equal to what? S2 by 3. Or S1 by S2 equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Same way, what is S1 by S3? Half into A into what is S1? 5 square divided by what is S3? How much we got here?
Half into
Half A into 15 square minus 10
10
square.
square.
Half A gets cancelled. 5 square is 25 by 15 square. 225 minus 100. So that is equal to 25 by, how much is this?
125.
125. 25 5s, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means S1 is equal to what? S3 by 5. Or we can also write as S1 is 2. What is S2 from here? S2 is equal to 3 times of S1 is equal to S3 is how much? 5 times
5
of
times
S1. So this implies what? 1 is to 3 is to 5. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, so should I ask Monica ma'am right now? I mean, right after the class
Ask.
about the solutions.
Ask. In fact, I can show the. Are you able to see anything on the screen? No, no.
No, sir, nothing.
Now,
No,
are
sir.
you able to see here? Work session 2, foundation 9th
Yes,
and
sir.
10th.
Now we're able to see.
You are able to see, na? See here, question number 1
Yes,
solution
sir.
is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct? There, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So solution is already sent actually. Okay. So you can ask the coordinator. Okay, Monica madam. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, I'll ask her.
If you are not able to contact her or if she is not able to send, then you just call me. I'll post it in the assignment section. The same thing. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Next, anything else? Anything else for today? Okay, so now see here. I gave one question. Can you do this? A body starts from rest and travels with a uniform acceleration. If it travels at a rate of 36 kilometers per hour after 10 seconds, that means for 10 seconds, find the acceleration. Okay, here the question is here for 10 seconds. Okay, if it travels at a rate of 36 kilometers per hour for 10 seconds, find acceleration, average velocity during this motion, displacement, and distance traveled. Please do it. Simple problem. Today, many students are absent. What happened? What is the answer? Find the acceleration and average velocity during this motion and distance and displacement traveled.
Sir, I got acceleration as 1 meter per second.
Acceleration as 1 meter per second square. Okay. And the average velocity. Others are doing. Hemant. Charishma. Deepta Tejisa. Are you doing? Are you all doing? Switch on your video once and show me the notes. Hemant. Hemant. Deepta Tejisa. Can you switch on your video and show me the notes? Nobody is responding. Charishma. Charishma. She is also. Shraddha.
Sir, yes, sir.
Show me your notes.
Sir, 1 minute.
Others are not responding. They are there, or is it some internet problem? I don't know.
Sir,
Oh, Hemant. Hemant,
yes, sir.
can you show your notes?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Hemant, can you keep little bit near? Okay, okay. Shraddha?
Sir, actually, my phone front camera has problems. That's why you can't see.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay. Okay, Shweta. Deepta Teja. No, turn right side, rotate right. Ah. Okay, okay. Next, Charishma. Charishma. She is not there, I think. No? Okay, okay. Okay, what is the answer, Shraddha? Average velocity and distance and displacement.
I did not get, sir.
A body starts from rest means initial velocity is what? 0 and travels with a uniform acceleration. And if it travels at a rate of 36 kilometers per hour for 10 seconds, that means at this point 36 kilometers per hour at time t equal to 10 seconds. This is time t equal to 0. Now we should always convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. What is the unit? Unit of conversion means how will you convert kilometer per hour into meter per second? How will you convert?
5 by 18, sir.
5 by 18, correct. 36 into 5 by 18. So 18 twos and 2 5s 10. 10 meters per second. Okay. Now they're asking acceleration. Let us say this is A, this is what to B. So now in this interval AB, in this interval AB, sorry. In this interval AB, okay, let us apply the equation. Which equation? V equal to U plus AT. V equal to U plus AT. I can apply because I know V. What is the velocity at B point 10 plus is equal to what is U? 0 plus what is the acceleration is what we have to calculate. A into time. Time is 10 seconds. So this implies 10A equal to 10, which implies A equal to 1 meter per second square. Correct. Next. So this part is over. A part, our first part. The second part, average velocity during this motion. How will you calculate average velocity? Average velocity has two formulas. One is U plus V by 2. Another is total displacement by total time. Correct or not? Total displacement by total time. Now here we know initial velocity and final velocity. Na? So I can use this formula directly. That is equal to 0 plus how much? 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 meters per second. Next, third one, displacement and distance traveled. Okay. Now here, what is the formula for displacement? S is equal to ut plus half times of at square. Correct or not? That is equal to in the interval AB only. Okay. U means 0 plus half into acceleration. Just now we got 1 in time t square. So that means 50 meters. Now this is a displacement or distance, Shraddha?
Sir,
Is this S a displacement or distance?
displacement, sir.
Correct. Whenever we use this equation and get the value of S, that is always displacement. And now this can also be called as distance provided if the body doesn't take any U-turn. Correct or not? And here, is there any possibility that the body can take a U-turn?
No, sir.
No. Why? Because velocity is this side, acceleration is also this side. So therefore the body won't take U-turn. So therefore distance is also 50 meters. Displacement is also 50. Distance is also 50 meters. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So any doubts? Any other doubts from work session? Because tomorrow is the exam. I wish you all the best for the exam. Tomorrow is very easy exam. If you just follow the work session, if you are able to solve the work session, you can easily solve the what do you call it, exam paper. Okay, I have not given any difficult question. Just like we are solving the problems from the last 10 days or 20 days. Correct or not? I am solving difficult problems in the class. Okay, but in the exam, I have given very easy questions. Just to average speed, average velocity, distance, displacement, and at the end maybe 2-3 questions on equations of motion. Okay, simple equations like this. Okay, are you all confident to write the exam?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Confidence is not coming from the voice. Not confident or what? You're not confidently saying, yes, sir. We'll write the exam like that. You are very doubtful. Or maybe, yes, sir, we'll see like that. We'll see, sir, like that. Should be confident. It's very easy. If you same models I given as I have given in the work session. So first thing is you immediately after the class you ask the coordinator to get that what you call solutions for work session. Okay. Okay. So from Monday onwards we are going to see the next section that is called as motion under gravity. Very important section. Okay. Thank you all very much.
Thank
Okay. Thank you all very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.